This video will show you how to add a landscape light. To get started, click the Landscape tab, then click Landscape Light. Left-click to place the light. Hold the Control key to place multiple lights. After you've placed your lights and you would like to customize them or change the style, hit the L key on the keyboard to select all of them. To change the style of your light, click this model image and it will take you to a selection of different styles. Select your desired style and then click OK. Use these sliders to adjust the elevation, range, and beam angle of your light. Click here to change the color of your light. Deselect this box if you do not want the area of influence displayed in perspective view. Turn on ray tracing for more accurate shadows. You can use these sliders to further customize your landscape light. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.